YouTube, it's your boy Zamba. Welcome back to another banger. Hope you guys have missed me. Of course, I know you guys missed me. So I love you guys and I missed you guys as well. And in today's video, I'm going to be flipping this $100 accounts using 1:100 leverage. Yes, I actually made this as a challenge. There's another challenge coming soon. So do well to like this video, subscribe, turn on the bell notification so that when I drop that video and more, you're gonna get notified. You're gonna be the first person to get notified. Okay, so right now I'm taking my first trade on gold. Now the reason why I'm having that in mind to take that trade, this particular trade right now, is because of the leverage. Okay, I know that the market can, gold market is actually very crazy right now, so there's a lot of volatility. If you have been trading gold recently, if you are not on my free group, do it to join my free group, link on my video description. So we have been trading gold, right? And you know how we do it when we trade gold. It's very volatile, it's very crazy, so you have to go in and go out. But of course, so far you are making profits. That is enough for you, right? That is the aim of trading. So far you have your guaranteed profit. Now as you guys can see, I'm putting sell stop orders. The reason is because I'm thinking, now don't get me wrong, I don't know if it's gonna work, but I'm thinking the market might hit that location. So the market did not hit my desired sell stops. Now I don't know why. I know because I don't have the leverage required. So I was just trying to make as much money as possible because the setup was very valid, the setup was very nice, and I missed the setup. So I'm not gonna focus on gold anymore. I'll be trading Bitcoin because we are chasing in on weekend right now. So this is coming to weekend, and I'm trading, of course, on the VIP. We are going to be taking trades on the VIP. So I want to partake on this particular trade using this account. I trade on other of my accounts, of course, but this particular challenge account, I want to really try to use Bitcoin when it comes to this on this low leverage of a thing, right? So right now we're having a buy trade, and I'm going full margin on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin right now is having a specific event, like it's fundamental. So it's a fundamental event, fundamental news, people talk, um, markets fluctuates, the volatility increases, volume enters the market, and all of that. So I'm trying to take advantage of that right now. So with my setup as well, with my setups, they follow. So once your technical follows your fundamental, you are good to go. So right now we have a W pattern forming. Now this is not your regular W pattern, but it's actually a swing W right here. So this is actually my zone. So we draw from the beginning of that move to the very end and extend that arrow, as you guys can see. So we are going to be buying from there. As you see, there's a weak rejection already. So on your normal price action technique, you will definitely know that price is rejecting that zone and price is not willing to go down. So that is already a beginner's method for trading, which everyone knows that, of course, this is going to go bullish, but not all the time. Remember, you have to trade and you have to be guided when trading. So as you guys can see, the market just wicked out, right? Just the way it's supposed to be, just the profit I need for this account right now. So we are having $1,000 in profit. So I'll be going to the next setup. Now this is weekend. Now the weekend is insane, right? Because we have a box setup right here. So I will explain the box setup right now. So first things first, we draw from the beginning to the end before the box setup occurred. Now we copy that arrow, right? We copy the arrow. So this is the box setup. So when the market actually form a box, that's what it means. So now you see that the TP was hit. The TP was hit, right? Very good. Now we'll be using this to illustrate, and we are going to use this because we are trading on the week. We are trading during the weekend now, and we'll be trading over the weekend down to Monday morning, right? That is the plan for this That is actually the plan. That's actually my trading plan right now, because on Monday there's going to be a high volatility in the market. So before Monday, which is the market open, I will need to take a trade, right? So I just want to map out these setups for you guys right now, which I'm already doing, so you guys will follow along when I am taking these trades, and you understand my every move, my every step, why I'm taking these trades from the beginning, from the very beginning. All right. Now, so you see the first setup, the first box setup has been accomplished, right? So the second one is what I'm targeting right now. But the TP is very far. If you look at the time frame, it's M30, the 30 minutes time frame, which is very far. So I'm not going to hold that much, because remember, I'm going full margin. So I'm going to go in and out, but it will still hold. My first TP would be my original TP, like the main TP that I'm actually targeting is the end of that box, right? So you see the top of the box and the bottom of the box. The bottom is actually where I'm targeting. That is where I'm targeting. So if you look at this right now, we're having full margin, which is very bad, of course, but the setup is the reason why I take it. I don't take trades off from just taking trades. I take trades based on the setup I've seen, and look at the setup, very classy, very nice. And look at it, guys. So the market has been consolidating. Remember, this is the weekend. Now you see, this is actually what we witness most of the time during the weekend, but we still catch the pips. That is the crazy thing. We still catch the pips. So I extend the box right there, and you see that the TP has been hit, right? My desired TP, not my overall TP. Okay, my desired TP has been hit. So because I'm day trading, I'm not holding this trade. I'm going to close this trade, right? Because the market has been going up and down, and this stuff is not even funny anymore. So I will just close this trade and just wait, because this, we still have potentials. We still have potential. I know fundamentals kick in anytime, but I'm ready for it. So I'm not gonna be having any negative bias. I will still stand on my ground. I will still stand with my analysis. I will still stand with my truth. All right, I will hold this trade, and I will wait for the perfect time to take each trade. Now, if you look at this, the market hit my zone, right, and it failed to break. Now, the reason why I did not take this trade was because I did not get my confirmation I need, right? So assuming I got my confirmation, I would have started recording, and then we'll show you guys the trade and all of that. So soon as the fundamental is about to kick in, this is actually the first step. If you look at that very closely, let me zoom out so you guys can see. If you look at that very, very closely, you are going to see something insane. Now, the market actually, this after some time, because what I did was I have to wait for the market. If you notice, the market broke out initially, but I did not take the trade. I wanted to wait for my demand zone, which is this particular zone right here, to take my trade. The reason why I chose that zone is because it matches my confirmation, and that is the exact thing I was waiting for, right? So I wanted to partake on the buy, but fundamentals, I'm not gonna go full margin on fundamentals just like that, because it is too risky. I have come this far. Okay, I've come this far. We are trying to grow this account to a crazy amount, and funny enough, this is Bitcoin. It's not gold, it's not currency pairs that we can understand and we can just decide to go full margin because it's slow. This is Bitcoin. Bitcoin can move in a matter of seconds, just like gold. So we have to be very careful when taking trades. So now I'm going to go full margin like I promised, like I said I will do, which I always do. And guess what? We are going to wait for this trade to play out. So you see my TP right there. This is why I said fundamentals is very, very important. And not just that, we need to know when the momentum is coming. That is what we need. We need momentum in the market. So right now, you see that my TP right there, that is the TP I am holding. I'm not getting my initial TP just like the previous trade. This time I'm holding to the very end. If the market blows this account, let it blow this account. I don't care anymore. This is the final blow. This is everything on the line. So let's go. Now, as you guys can see very, very nicely, look at the momentum. What was I saying before? We need momentum. Momentum is what we need. The market hit our TP, smashed our TP, and passed our TP as always. And as you guys can see, look at that. So let me just show you guys from the history real quick. So before we close this trade and all of that, it was a sniper. Just look at that. We took our trade from there. We have a little bit of drawdown. Good. And guess what? Boom. Here we go. $3,000 to 31K in one trade, bro. In one trade. This is, yeah. This is me. This is Zamba. This is me. As always, you know, it's not easy. We have come this far. So like I said, it's either we go down or we go up. It's either we destroy this account or we increase this account. And this is it. We have finally hit our target. I'm not going to be greedy. We just exited right there, as you guys can see. And that is it for this video. Hope you like this video. Happy new week. And also, if you want to reach out to me, use the link on my video description for all your personal contact. And I love you guys. Stay safe. Happy trading. It's still your boy Zamba, Lion FS gang. I will see you in my next video. Peace. Damn.